Today we are talking about the genetic disorders, various types of genetics disorder and human genetics. The lifetime frequency of the genetic disease is estimated to be 670 per 1000 cases. The lifetime is there may be 670 person may be affected, and out of 1000, this is the lifetime frequency of the genetic disorder. It is estimated that 50% of spontaneous abortion during the early months of gestations have a demonstrable chromosomal abnormality. That is 50% of spontaneous abortion due to chromosomal abnormality. 50% of spontaneous abortion are due to, at the early, especially spontaneous abortion at the early gestation period, is due to the chromosomal abnormalities, due to chromosomal abnormalities. Abnormalities. The 50% of early abortion takes place due to chromosomal abnormalities. About 1% of all new infants possess a gross chromosomal abnormalities. 1% of all infants has this chromosomal abnormalities. And serious diseases also takes place, where significant genetic component develop in approximately 5% of individuals younger than 25 years. And this 1% of chromosomal abnormalities in the population, 5%, the 5% has the 5% of the these has significant genetic component that develops early the age of 25. In this population, that is 1% has, our population has chromosomal abnormalities, and of these 1%, the 5% of the patient at the age before 25 or 25, before 25 or 25 years, they have the symptoms of disorders. That is the genetic disorders. Now we will discuss the various types of genetic disorders that take place in the individuals. The disorders related to mutation in a single gene with large effects. Disorders related to mutation in a single gene mutation. Single gene mutation. The disorders that are related to a single gene mutation. These mutations cause the diseases or predispose to the diseases with some exceptions. They predispose to diseases. But some exceptions. There is some exception. Some exceptional cases. Some exceptions. Some exceptions are like the hemoglobinopathies that are typically not present in the normal population. That is hemoglobinopathy. Hemoglobinopathies. The hemoglobinopathies are not present in the normal population. Such mutation and their associated disorders are highly penetrant, and meaning that the presence of the mutation is associated with disease in a large proportion of the individuals. Because these diseases are caused by single gene mutation that are usually follow the classic Mendelian pattern of inheritance and are also referred to as Mendelian disorder. These single gene mutation also referred to as Mendelian gene disorders. That is Mendelian gene disorders. The study of genes, of single genes and mutation with large effects are extremely informative in medicine, since there is a great deal of what is known about several physiological pathways. The example is cholesterol, knowing about the cholesterol transport, knowing about the chloride secretion. It has been learning from the analysis of a single gene disorders. But information about these disorders are generally rare unless they are maintained in a population by strong selective forces. Example, sickle cell anemia in area where malaria is endemic. The second is first was single gene disorder, they predispose to diseases of, but exception is hemoglobinopathy that are not present in population. The second number is chromosomal abnormalities. Chromosomal abnormalities. The chromosomal disorders arises from structural abnormalities in the chromosome or numerical alteration in the chromosomes. Numerical alteration not in the chromosome, in the autosome and 6 chromosome, like monogenic disease that are uncommon but associated with high penetrance. The chromosomal abnormalities may be structural abnormalities in the chromosome. Structural abnormalities are due to numerical. The number of the chromosome may be varied. That we will discuss in detail in the next lecture. The complex multigenic disorder also associated. Complex multigenic disorder. Complex multigenic disorder. The complex multigenic disorder are also associated. The complex multigenic disorders are far more common than the disease in the previous two categories, that was the single gene mutation and chromosomal abnormalities. The multi-gene disorders are more common, much more common than other two categories, that was the single gene mutation and chromosomal abnormalities. That is, structural chromosomal abnormalities are in the numerical. The number of chromosomes may be varied. In some individuals, there may be extra chromosome or missed chromosome. The missed chromosome is Turner syndrome 45XO, and the extra chromosome is 47XY, Klinefelter syndrome. So there is multigenic disorder. The multigenic disorders are more common. They are caused by interaction between multiple variant forms of genes and environmental factors. This is interacted by the multiple variants forms. This is interacted by multiple variant forms. Multiple variant forms or environmental exposure or environmental exposures. The complex multi-gene disorders are much more common than other disorders. Example, in variation in genes are common with the population, and also genes are, the variation in genes are common with the population and are also called polymorphism. In the environment, the gene variation may be common, and this gene variation multiple variants are found. This is called polymorphism. Polymorphism. In the multiple environment, in the different environment, this is called polymorphism. Each variant gene confers a small risk in the disease, and there is no single susceptibility gene is necessary. Each gene is responsible for the small risk of disease, and a specific gene is not responsible. In this polymorphism, many genes are involved in a small risk for each gene, and a specific gene is not responsible. This is a great challenge. So these diseases we call multigenic or polygenic variants. These have large effects that are highly penetrant to give rise to the disorders. The example of these disorders that include multiplex or multi-gene environment or multi-gene or polymorphism. The example of this disorder in our environment is atherosclerosis, diabetes mellitus, hypertension, and autoimmune disease. These polymorphic types of diseases in our environment is atherosclerosis, diabetes mellitus, hypertension. Autoimmune disease may also common. Autoimmune disease are common. So we have a special concern on the chloride channels, sodium channels. So there are the multiplex variants form of diseases. There may be environmental factors or due to the large number of genes are involved and each gene have a small risk of the disease, but not a particular genes are involved for the disease occurrence. And the example is atherosclerosis, diabetes mellitus, hypertension, and autoimmune disease. So these are involved due to genetic, and this is called polymorphism.